What are you boys doing? Oh, okay, hey, careful. Hey, a shoe. Woohoo!
Oh, honey, I don't think we need the fire on. It's hot.
It's hot. Cold.
You're cold. Go put some pants on.
What'd you guys do, Colin? Hey, Colin, what'd you do today? What'd you do today?
Play at sand.
You play the jams? What'd you guys do when you get home?
You tell Daddy what you did in the potty.
I pooped in the pot.
Oh, yeah! Give me 5, dude. Give me 5. Oh, good job. Oh, you want to give me 5? Give me 5. Oh, yeah, yeah! No, he just wanted to give me 5. Belongs to me or you.
Mama, look at me.
Hey, Stuntman. That is shaky. Oh, hold the camera straight, Daddy.
That's my major balloon.
Major balloon? What are you talking about?
Alex.
You mean the one we got rid of like a long time ago? Hey, maybe you get another major balloon when it's your birthday.
Baby.
Hey, how old are you now? How old are you? How many is that? Is that 3, 4, 5?
3.
How old's your brother? Just 1? Lucas, are you 1?
Lucas, how old are you?
How old are you? Can you say 1? Hey, who's your favorite person in the whole wide world? Hey, Colin, stop. Stop a second, dude. Hey, Lucas, can you say Mickey? Mickey! We're watching Bolt right now, huh? Can you say Bolt?
You see me.
You want to see, brother? There he is.
Don't see me.
Okay. Well, you can't see you
Why?
unless they play it.
Lucas.
Can you say bye to the camera? Say bye.
Lucas.
Bye, camera.
You say later, dude.
See you
Lucas.
later, dude.
See you later, dude. Crazy boy. Oh, crash. I'm sure that looks cool. I'm sure that looks cool on the video.
Yeah.
Flash. Alright. Crash. Hey, slow down that meter. There's a speed limit in here. Alright, bye.